Hello and welcome to my first class stream. So, in this last we were discussing about what's the next scenarios of Bitcoin and there was some of the old coins and all of that. So let's begin with the stream. So at the morning I've shared you some charts about Bitcoin liquidation and liquidity gap that happened yesterday. So make sure you have to check the thread I've given you in my tweet. So jump in here. Let's see. This is a thread that I posted today, almost 1 hour ago. Click on this last stream. So that's the easiest grab liquidity around 63,200 to 63,400. As I mentioned earlier in my tweets that BTC is just dumping for no reason. I don't know why this is happening. This is just a little bit of liquidity grab. So this high leverage launch gets liquidated around this area that I mentioned. Almost 62,200 to 62,400 is the area where high leverage loans get liquidated. So in this thread I mentioned some of points. So first point is Bitcoin has taken the constant rejection from the EMA. As you can see, major liquidity laying around 65k upwards. Bitcoin is this regression channel. So let's see this one. So this is 200 EMA, but at this point Bitcoin taking the rejection. Bit around this area and falling below. So for now, the major amount of liquidity still stays at 63,100 or 63,000. And you can see one thing that the major shorts has come around the area of $65,000. So possible build-up to $65,000 or 65,360, where the EMA is looking. So let's see how it goes. So that's the current scenario. That if we come here and go around $65,200, $65,300, and we can fall again lower, take lower amount of liquidity. So there is another liquidity going around the 63,000, but for now I'm not thinking that because too much liquidity has built in data per circuit at $72,000 to $69,000. So I think we are going to see some upward momentum in coming days. Because this is a Saturday, so there's no US session, no SPX 500, so we don't expect much momentum in these days. So that's the one of the one of the thing to concern about it, that SPX 500 RSI is in overbought region in Korea. I believe that it's overbought. So let's see here. There's that. SPX 500 has broken the level of 5,450 and retested it. So some upward momentum to be expected. And one of this chart I'm talking about DXY, DXY dollar index. So dollar index telling something different because dollar index has just broke out this level of almost 2 weeks, and this breakout comes at daily charts, so that should be a concern because hello, hello, am I audible? Okay, so what I'm speaking that Bitcoin dominance is forming a massive rising wedge pattern from this month. So we are expecting some. For now, we are expecting some upward movement, and then once we break this channel, we can see major amount of pump in Bitcoin and Ethereum because the one of the thing I'm talking about, the Ethereum is going up when this pattern going to retest and going to fall down for simple reason because more money comes in Ethereum. That's the necessary thing. And the one more thing is I'm looking for the breaking if this pattern continues for upward momentum. So we have a EMA rejection level, so we can get rejected through that level also, and that's for USDT dominance. Next we talk about uh, let's give me 1 second. Okay, okay. Same scenario I'm discussing from 2 to 3 weeks. Uh, in my account. So the scenario I'm discussing frequently is Bitcoin dominance has forming a triple top pattern in daily time frame. That's a complete bullish pattern for the altcoins, and if we break above this 54 mark, if we break above this 54% mark, we are going to see a massive rally in all coins. So be ready for it. So the first time I tweeted this pattern where this area is not formed, and Bitcoin dominance is breaking out this trend line, the regression trend line. So for now, it's still bullish, but if we first we have to break the 55% of this this support, and then we will get down further. And one of things uh, I'm I'm telling frequently in my tweets that if if we if we breaks this downtrend on Monday, because in Monday we will get the SPX 500 volume plus DXY, American markets, US markets, European markets, New York, all the stuff's going to be uh, open, and in that day, in the Monday. So when I snipped that tweet, BTC was standing around 64,375 area. So BTC is again trying to push further for $65,000 marks, and I am expecting that BTC will go at least $65,000 before before getting downwards. So that's what I'm talking about, and the major liquidity stands among 66,850 to 66,900 or $67,000. There's a major liquidity stands there, so we don't have to worry about it. If we break uh, in daily below $64,000, so that's a concerning thing. I think if we have to back in this channel of $66,000 to $65,000, we need to break 64,400 level to back in consolidating phase. So let's see how it goes. Um, Twitter, some everybody was asking, okay, okay, भाई, गाड़ी, let's see, गाड़ी, गाड़ी USDT, DT. Okay, that's a gala. Sorry. USDT. Okay, okay. OKX पे अवेलेबल है, OKX पे अवेलेबल है क्या ये? OKX पे अवेलेबल है ये? OKX, let's see. गाड़ी, ये तो प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है भाई। इस गाड़ी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है मेरे को, इसके चार्ट अच्छे नहीं दिख रहे हैं। गाड़ी प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे को भाई। इसका यही रेजिस्टेंस है और ये रिजेक्शन दे रहा है ये एरिया से, अराउंड दिस एरिया। रिजेक्शन ले रहा है भाई। God is taking rejection from this area. It's not looking good. Actually, it's not looking good. Major. So we are talking about major. Why everybody asking me on Twitter that why Bitcoin is dumping, why Bitcoin is dumping. So there's lots amount of FUD is roaming around. Bitcoin is that Germany is selling Bitcoin, and the major reason for this Bitcoin dump is ETFs outflows. Uh, as I already mentioned, that ETFs are dumb money. They don't know the volatility and how crypto markets works actually, because the ETFs investors are from US. They basically invest in stock markets and all of this stuff. They don't have any experience about crypto, and that's why uh, ETF money is dumb money, at least till now, because it's, the ETF crypto market is now in immature phase. So I don't think um, it's uh, it's a smart money that can hold like us. It's not a smart money. It's dumb money where you see little bit of dump in the Bitcoin, they will start selling it off. And I think if you understand GBDC, obviously GBDC is booking his profits because they buys at 26,000 or 30,000 average price. So they are just booking their profits, some of profits. Uh, so GBDC is just booking their profits and nothing. But this is a record I have got from far side investors that almost $900 million of Bitcoin has been sold in few weeks, in 2 or 3 weeks. That's a massive thing. That's a massive thing. um, and that's the reason of Bitcoin dump. So I don't think so that this dump will continue further, and we pray it will not continue further. So possibly bounce around 66K to 67K expected this week. Remember one thing: Bitcoin always follows liquidity. The major amount of liquidity stands at 72K, 69K, at 65K, 67K, major amount of liquidity. So that's the common sense. If we get lower, we just getting the $200 or $300 of long liquidated. But if we move upwards, then we will see a massive 500 to $600 million of short squeeze for the new market. So the one thing I've telling constantly that Ethereum S1 ETFs when going to live, we will see a massive rally in altcoins. So that's why I mentioned this rising wedge pattern in my thread, that this when this pattern is going to break down, we will see Ethereum going Ethereum breaking the level, as I mentioned earlier. Ethereum level of $3,580. That's the level for Ethereum. Once that's going to break, we will see all season, or once Bitcoin dominance going to break 55%, then maybe major stand of bounce back in this market. Major probability of getting bounce back is Ethereum ETFs on the live market rebounds, obviously. So that's the update for this week. It's too hard to create this kind of threads, so please appreciate these kinds of posts. I've constantly posting on my Twitter, so please give some support. And if you are new in trading, so you have to need open account for trading or investing. So if you want to open account, you just go in our profile and look at this link. Click at this link, and you can easily sign up and get up to bonus of 100 to $200 initial deposit bonus. So that's the report I've posted, and that's the update. So let's see on live market what's happening in Bitcoin. Let's see. So Bitcoin is currently at 64,260 dollars. So that's not concerning thing. And if you see at a longer time frame, that's a stupid dump. That's a stupid dump. Just keep falling because ETFs outflows. And when ETFs are going to outperform all this kind of stuff, so that's the thing. And let's check more. Let's check liquidation now. Once again, let's check at 24 hours liquidation, daily liquidation. So let's see. Okay, the major liquidity at 63,000, as I mentioned in my post, that the major liquidity has around, let's say, as I mentioned you guys, that major liquidity stands here $63,000 mark. So we can see a possible dump here because we don't have actually we if you see we don't have a good amount of volume down there. If you see the volume, we don't have have it much. So we can see a quick fire dump here like this. We will start a parabolic move with this area. Let's see how it goes. One disclaimer I'm going to give you is that about Solana. If you haven't invested a single dollar or anything in crypto till this date, I will say you that just go and buy Solana for now, and you will tell me in 8 to 12 months that Solana has outperformed all of the mega mega all of this megas we are talking about. Buy Solana. I will recommend you one thing: you buy Solana for now. we will definitely get benefited it. Because if you see the Solana manipulation in daily time frame, so let's open daily time frame. The major 1 second. Okay. So if you watch Solana at daily time frame, it's down dark. Uh, Whoever is active on Twitter will definitely know why this kinds of dump is happening in Solana. So Andrew Tate has burned almost burned millions of tokens, millions of tokens of Daddy. The burn has happened on Solana networks. So Solana networks has not sustained that yet. So that's why Solana dumped very hard because if you see other altcoins had not dumped that much. If you see Solana has to survive this area, 151 to $129 area. Solana could survive this area, but the reason is that the all Twitter guys all know why this dump has happened. So let's check more altcoins. Check Ethereum. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is quite. Ethereum is. I think Ethereum is going to grab some liquidity at almost say $3,400. But what do you guys think about it? That Ethereum will Ethereum in manipulation zone. I thought that Ethereum at manipulation zone, this small zone, Ethereum is surviving. Ethereum is surviving this small zone. So let's. Okay. Whenever this is a accumulation, manipulation, and we will see a distribution like this in Ethereum. So that's the possible scenario for Ethereum, at least as as per my research. Ethereum into I'm very bullish on Ethereum. I have I can't say I have enough Ethereum, but I'm very bullish on it. Not coin, not coin. Yesterday I just not bouncing back like crazy because another hand BTC is dumping like crazy. So I don't understand why this is happening, but I think something news has. I think something news has come in Ethereum. Not coin, sorry, not coin. So the area for the not coin is this area. This is the area for not coin. If not comes above this area we can see a good decent pump. WIF, not interesting, not looking interesting. The link, the thinner, yeah. So one thing I'm telling you that once Ethereum is going to break above the area of 3,550 or 3,580 or 3,600, we can take it. So then Athena is going to go much higher than his before highs, because I buy Athena at very high price, around 90, 90 to 80 cents. 90, 80 cents I buy Athena. I am very bullish on this project. I like I read the white paper, and I'm very very bullish on this project. So keep some Athena in your pockets. Bitcoin 64,200. CHR, no Pepe. Yeah, I'm talking. I'm very actively talking on Pepe in my Twitter. So I'm just talking to you that Pepe is going to outperform every meme coin out there, including Shiba, Doge, Bonk, or all of that niggas. So Pepe is going to outperform all of that geeks project. So that's a good area to buy Pepe for the spot accumulation. Here, this area is good, still cheap. I thought this is still cheap, more than 22, sorry, 20, not 20. It's more than 500 to 600% return is loading in Pepe. As per my research, let's see how it goes. I buy Pepe at very, very, very cheap price. Very cheap price. I bought it like here, almost here, here at this area. So at this area, I buy Pepe at this area, and I'm still holding. I'm still holding my Pepe. I'm not going to sell it yet. At least I need to get 500%. At least 500%. I'm currently sitting on 120%. Let's see how much I'm in Pepe. I've hidden the amount because I don't want to disclose it. So let's see, Pepe, all time. Okay, Pepe. That's too much buffer. It's too much buffering. Network is slow. Network is slow, man.
Buffering, 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 man, buffering. Come on. Let it be. Let it be. You don't have any current trades from just one trade I'd opened almost 16 days before. That's Ethereum trade. I opened Ethereum trade at 6 June. Yes, 6 June. Too much buffering, yeah. Why this kind of stuff? Oops. Network issue. So I will add numbers. Okay, only trade I have currently. That's my from that's my journal. That's my trading journal. I have concluded almost 40 trades with 82% of accuracy and almost 80% of gains. So I constantly posted my trades on my Twitter handle, so you can just go and watch my Twitter for trades. So that's current trade on my Ethereum was going since almost 20 or 16 days, almost 16 days. I am holding this trade of Ethereum, and you can see 6 June and still not closed this trade. That's my concluded trades. Bitcoin, almost some of my high risk trades and high risk low leverage trades. That's the gains. I almost have two or three losses in this month, but not quite profitable. You can't say quite profitable. I don't trade much. I don't trade two or three trades a daily. I just take one trade, and someday I don't take any trade. That's you see which coins I'm holding in my portfolio. It's Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, Pepe. Pepe is my fourth largest holding. Fifth is Ondo because it's again RWA narrative, real world asset. And fifth is Celestia. Celestia is one of the top projects that it's going down. I bought at almost $9, so I'm currently in loss in Celestia. Ice stacks again, it's a good project. If Bitcoin goes higher, that probable. That's probable that Bitcoin is going to higher, and when Bitcoins go higher, the scale stacks provide some scalability to the Bitcoin network. So that's again going to be a good project. And the next project is ICP, Internet Computer Protocol, and that's one of my favorite project again because uh, the next bull run is about AI, and ICP is going to outperform at least for $500 each. I'm expecting in next 1 to 2 years. I'm expecting that ICP will outperform some of major cryptos in AI. Can see further. So I am expecting ICP at least at $500. So I'm going to sell out my bags almost 70 to 50%. Next is Arbitrium. Arbitrium is now pretty down, pretty too much down right now, but still I believe in Arbitrium that it will bounce back. Bounce back. Next project is Pawn. Pawn again. Pawn is one of my favorite project right now because all of guys knows that Pawn is a Telegram token, so it's going to perform really well in upcoming bull run, and it's now still cheap. It's still cheap, $7. I feel it's still cheap. Ton deserves at least per coin 50 to $45 per coin in Ton. So I'm expecting Ton to gain massive return. I'm not having much in the bags, so I am thinking to buy if we get another dump almost 10 to 20 or 30 ton if I get it around $5. So I'm going to grab it at that price. Next is XRP. XRP is looking like a dead rubber, but no of a sudden it could pump. Maybe that's the hope. Now it feels like XRP is a meme coin. You just shit it in our portfolio. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. XRP. Not, not taking too seriously for XRP. I think it's $1 or $5. It's still good for sale of. And uh, again, XRP has become a stable coin, just like a stable coin. It's range around 48 to 51 to 57 or around 45. If you get it at 45, it's the best buying opportunity. Buy at 45. Again, get at 38 cent, get a DCA. So that's a good. Polkadot again. Ethereum, after Ethereum getting, after that SEC has stopped investigating Ethereum, Polkadot army also expecting that they will also win against SEC. So let's see how it goes. I'm also thinking about that it will SEC will lose against the DApps, decentralized exchanges, you can say. And next is the hidden gem. I found that almost 2 or 3 months ago. Is Ice Network. Again, this is a bullish project, and I personally believe that Ice uh, Ice will outperform some of your meme coins. I think it's going to outperform your Dogecoin or WIF or all of that stuff, the projects in sense. Or I think it's going to outperform XRP also. I hold a good amount of Ice Network, so it's a gem for now. I'm telling you because when I just bought, there is no burning in this token, so the supply is too limited. The supply is too limited, so if they burns, the price will skyrocket like of sudden. And next is RNDR. I'm not a big fan of AI tokens for right now. I just believe in XRP. Sorry, XRP. No. ICP, Stacks, or Celestia. I'm just believing in three. R&D again is a Microsoft backed project, you can say, but I'm still not big fan of R&D. Next is Mantle. Mantle is again a Bybit native token, so you will when, whenever Bybit grows, I'm personally working with Bybit, so I I just use I just keep some Mantle in my wallet if I get some airdrops or some of other crazy things. So I'm not going to reveal all of my portfolio for now. I will keep it secret for further. I think it's kind of a 100x portfolio. There's shit coins, full of shit coins, full of meme coins that you can say hero or zero. So that's that's in my 100x portfolio. I'm not holding too much of it. I'm just invested $100 or something kind of $100 in it. So that's much. And let's see, we can get an entry in it. Okay, okay. Now Bitcoin price. Let's see. Bitcoin price. Too much buffering. Yeah. Too much. Okay, 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 okay. We can Bitcoin. Where's my charts? Where's my charts, man? Instagram sent notification. DXY. Let's see DXY. LTC. Trade. Come on. Today is Saturday, so there's no volume in the market. So if you just want some trades, I keep posting on my Discord. I'm not I'm not put my link in my Discord, so I will update it later. So otherwise, you will join my Telegram or Twitter. I'm constantly active on Twitter. You can ask me questions on Twitter. So here is my Twitter handle, Crypto Elite. Here you can go and post your questions, and I will try to reply you. So here I posted, I think yesterday or earlier, I posted some trades on my Twitter. That goes well. That goes well. My goodness. Give me 1 second. That's a network buffering. Oh, fuck. That's a network buffer. Sorry for inconvenience. Sorry for inconvenience, guys. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Okay, if anyone wants to open their account on Bybit, so they can open through this link. That's an analysis I've shared on my Twitter. Okay, one trade I posted 21 June, means yesterday. Yesterday only I posted a trade on Notcoin, looks bearish, short at current market price, and TP will be 1350 and SL will be 1500 closing. Make sure I just post that trades that have SL on closing above the area. So I just booked almost 7.25% because I'm trading with low leverage and I have my margin high, so I can hold bit upwards. So there's the profit. I'm sharing constant profit on my Twitter, so you can just join. And I posted a BTC long at this area, low leverage long BTC. This when first time BTC dropped below $67,000 and our area of order gets filled around 64,800 and our first TP would be 65,800 and almost the 10% because again we are always trade with low leverage. That's our discipline. We use more margin but we use low leverage, so our liquidation keeps less. That's a complete profit of my PTC long trade. And next I posted the PHA trade. Um that's looking bullish inverse head and shoulder kind of pattern is playing in out. So it's not completely hit our targets, but at least 50% profit should be booked at the area 14, 50, 30. So once we get this area, we closed it and we said that put your SL on entry. Look at this the feed that first TP done. Hold with your SL on entry. So first TP thing you get almost a first TP here because the market get pivotal and again the not gone long, but it completely fails because it don't come above this area. It will close above this area, so it's completely failed. And although the two of trades that they taken at 20, we get full powered. Look at this trade. Undo buying setup 122 above 122 and we just get first target in few hours, almost 1.5 hours we get first target. Look at this. I think this is Ondo. It's torn used two trades we placed. One is Ondo, one is torn. So look at this second successful trade of the day with some profit. And I said that, and we almost got 22% of gain. Again, keeping my leverage in control. All targets done. In Torn, the Torn is also performing well. If you can see, this trade I placed at night that Torn is looking good and to be looking for a retest at this area and will break this danger zone and come upwards and it could get to again it can reclaim his position at $7. So I just posted this trade on my Twitter and this trade goes really well. At 29% we use no leverage at this one. We get 30% of return on this single trade. Next, US, US, EHA, all those trades. So that's the first live stream, and I just want to introduce myself. I just want to introduce myself, and that's for the this stream. I think it's time to wind up here. I will make sure to put videos on this topic on daily update on my threads on Twitter, or I will put videos on YouTube. So let stay tuned and let's see how our community grows. So just think that it's time to wind up. But before that, let's see the Bitcoin liquidations, the most amount of liquidations laying around this area. So possible dump, you can say, because the big candle already there is no volume in it, and therefore we will see a little bit manipulation around this area. I will try to build a long. I will so let's see any short position is coming in this. So okay, if we short BTC at current price, what will be our targets? So if we short BTC at this area, 64,400 with the SL of 64,500, 64,500 $100 SL, and our target would be 63,500, 63,400. That's what is going to be our target for Bitcoin for now, because I'm not a big fan of short Bitcoin at this time, but it's a weekend, so we can think about it because we not get a major volume or major push towards upward. So let's see how it goes. So it's time to wind up, and thanks for watching. That's for the stream. So let's go.